Are you ready to elevate your design game? With Canva, you can create a cartoon posters in just a few clicks. Whether you are promoting an event, sharing a message, or showcasing your art, Canva's user-friendly tools make it easy to bring your vision to life. Dive in and start impressing your audience today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can make a poster in Canva. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. So this is the home page, as you can see. So posters are a powerful way to communicate your ideas, promote events, and capture attention. With Canva, creating stunning posters has never been easier. Its intuitive design tools and vast library of templates and graphics allow you to unleash your creativity without needing graphic design experience. Whether you are crafting a vibrant event flyer or an inspirational code poster, Canva empowers you to make your vision a reality. Start designing today and watch your ideas come to life in a visually captivating way. So all you have to do is just click over get started, and you write your email address and your password. Then you will find your account like that, and you click over home, and you will find this page, as you can see. So firstly, you have to search your content and canvas here. For example, posters, here we have it, as you can see. So we have also other things here like home, project, templates, brand, apps, and we have here quite design to search for a poster, for example. Then I will click over see all again, and here we have if you want to try pro for 30 days, and we have to pay for it, but Canva it's for free, as you can see. So right now I will just select the filter that I want. For example, here we have all categories, but we have a business like docs, presentations, whiteboard, business cards, flyers, prototype, mind maps, websites, graphs, planners, letterheads, calendars, resumes, invoices, proposals, reports. Then we have here social media, as you can see, education, video, marketing also. Then we have here print products, cards and invitations, and then we have here format. You select the format that you want, the style also, the language, the theme, the feature. Then we have grade, subject also, topic, and here we have the price. Like here we have the free one or the pro one. So as you can see, here we have it's for free, as I mentioned before. Then here we have the color that you want. For example, we select this one or this one or this one. Then you click over apply. Once you do that, you will find this page, as you can see. So here you choose, for example, this one, or you choose this one, or you choose the one you want. For example, I will select this one. It's called, we have here gold. So I will click over customize this template, as you can see. So let's wait for it. So firstly, we have here, if you want to zoom, so this is the max. So here we have it. Also we have here thumbnail view, and we have here grid view. Then we have here present full screen, so like that. And we have here if we want to ask Canva for anything. So here we have here I can explain how to use Canva features, answer editing questions, and help with billing issues. Then here we have firstly and the poster here. We have if you want to lock the page, if you want to duplicate also, and if you want to add a page, delete the page, and we have here if you want to hide the page, and also if you want to move down or if you want to move up. So right now we have here the design. So for example, we want the posters here. So you choose the poster that you want. For example, here we have information poster. So if you find the poster better than this one, you will just click over here and choose the poster that you want. For example, here we have educational posters, product poster, school poster, academic poster, and art posters. So for example, I like this one, and I will just delete this one, and I will let it this one. So as you can see, then we have here elements. Here we have frame, line, arrow, circle, and other things you can just select. For example, this one, this is recently used. We have your shapes, graphic. We have here EA image generator, stickers. Then we have your photos, videos, audio, charts, tables, frames, grids, mockups, and we have collections also. Then we have here text. If you want to, for example, add a text box, magic word, and here we have it. You can add a voice, and if you have here quite new voice also, and here we have it. Then we have here if you want to add a heading, add a subheading, add a little bit of body text, and here we have some things recently used, for example this one. Then here we have the print. If you want to just select upward to add logos, colors, fonts, and we have here print voice, photos, graphics, icons also. Then we have here uploads. For example, if you want to upload files, here we have if you want to record yourself, like here we have video, audio, and images. Also, you can record yourself if you want. So let's wait for it, and here we have it. So we have a click over record, 3, 2, and 1, and you start recording like that. So this is my poster, and here we have how it works with posters and designing posters, and you click over down like that. So it's just an example. You can also save and exit, or you can also delete it. Then I will exit studio, and then we have here also draw. For example, in the draw you'll find here this pencil, so let's wait for it. Also we have here Canva, this one. Then we have here the size, we have font size, then we have here the color and other things. For example, here this one, you add for example this one, and we have a razor here, for example, as you can see. So let's come back here. We have here a window, and we have a redo. So this is it. Right now you can also share this one. You have just to click over share. If you want to download it, you download it, and we have a public view link, and we will paste it on Google or Facebook, on Instagram, and share. Then we have copy link like that. Here we have only you can access the design using this link. Here we have anyone can access the design using this link. No sign is required, as you can see. So this is how it works. You can just get started as soon as possible, and this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been found helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.